came to your church and told you that you should stay on your own and we will stay on our own. Eh? He tried to dip his finger into our eyes. Then Ayakatemeni attack. What? Ofa. Neke nabia. Neke nabia. Hold on, mama. Hold on, mama. Yes. Hold on, mama. Nabia, nabia. Neke nabia. Hold on, mama. Oh, yeah, I agree.
And my husband.
Your husband?
My husband.
What happened to you?
Please, come and help me.
Yeah. Oh, no, Mama. This is me, Otumbe. Relax. As far as Otumbe concerned, calm down. I say your problem is sore and is weak. Because I'm going to the forest to bring a strong leaf that will heal your husband. Woman, take heart. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, it's well. You must pay for it.
We must make sure we treat him like that.
Bam!
He can't survive it. How can he challenge us, the elder of the community? Indeed, it can't happen.
Which is impossible can't happen. Are there many possible? Get it on that. On that. We must be with him. We must go to Otumbeshi. Go with him.
We will make sure he will not survive. Whether he likes it or not,
he must not survive.
Even if he likes, let him go to Jericho.
Oh yeah.
Or India. We will trust him. We must get him.
Oh, that's enough for you.
His wife. We will teach him a lesson.
Wow.
Let's go to up on this right.
Hey, may you pay? He thinks that he has all the power. That's what I say that I gave you. Hey, okay, who is Igwe? We will show him. By the time we finish dealing with him,